This is VORTEXANEL. In 2023, Americans have built over 13.6 million units of solar panels, which individually contain 300 times more toxic waste than nuclear energy, killing over 1 million animals per year. In addition to this, wind power, which has displaced over 3,500 acres in the US alone, have been leading native bat species to extinction, killing 880,000 bats each year. The problems with both solar and wind are that they are incredibly dangerous to animals, produce enormous amounts of toxic waste, and take up massive amounts of land. However, wind and solar power have become crucial to the economy, producing 577 billion kilowatts annually. This is enough energy to power 53 million homes a year. So how can we utilize the energy production capabilities of these renewable energies into an ever more efficient and innovative blue ocean? This is VORTEXANEL, a safe, eco-friendly, and versatile spin on both wind and solar energy, which can produce over double the current power of both wind and solar. VORTEXANEL utilizes omnidirectional wind harvesting technologies and photocatalytic non-toxic solar panels to create the world's most efficient renewable energy. VORTEXANEL eliminates mainland animal casualties and toxic waste while creating a new, truly environmentally safe, renewable energy source. So how does VORTEXANEL create this plethora of energy while also serving no animals and being economically viable? The answer is by utilizing the ocean. The environment in which VORTEXANEL units will be placed are in offshore locations. This way, VORTEXANEL can utilize the ocean's high-powered wind while not disturbing any land animals. Due to VORTEXANEL's vertical axis system, it can also be installed at a low elevation, meaning that no bird can fly into its blades accidentally. So besides its environmentally friendly design, why should consumers choose VORTEXANEL over traditional power generators? VORTEXANEL's polarized blade system. Because of VORTEXANEL's polarized blade system, the speeds at which both of its blades run is almost double that of a traditional wind turbine at the same wind speed. This is because both of VORTEXANEL's blades run in opposite directions, which produces a counter wind vortex to the bottom of the top turbine and the top of the bottom turbine. This, along with its vertical axis, allows to harvest wind at double the rate and in any direction. But how does this utilize solar? VORTEXANEL's solar panels work by using the photocatalytic properties of bismuth vanadate cells. These cells work by placing a bismuth vanadate oxide film onto an electrode. After this, a lithium iodide solution is then injected between that and a platinum counter electrode. When the heat energy from the sun energizes the bismuth vanadate, it oxidizes the iodine ion found in the lithium iodide, which creates electricity. By being based off of bismuth, VORTEXANEL effectively eliminates the need for toxic heavy metals in modern solar. The ocean also significantly increases the solar power generated by VORTEXANEL by reflecting the sun into mirrors on the turbine, which condense the solar energy onto the panel, exponentially increasing the power generated through mirrored and direct light. VORTEXANEL's technology is all currently available and is extremely low cost compared to commercial wind turbines. Due to this, VORTEXANEL will effectively break through all the limiting factors presented by traditional red ocean markets of renewable energy, which is shown through this graph, which displays the absolute dominance that VORTEXANEL has within the markets in every area possible, from economic stability to even raw power productions. And with VORTEXANEL's relatively low cost, combined with the minimal area it takes, we can estimate that 1,000 units of VORTEXANEL will produce about 5.8 billion kilowatts an hour. That's enough to power 554,000 homes. This environmentally safe energy creates a new blue ocean market with the potential to become the world's main power source for years to come. These units are also extremely fast self-amortizing, paying for themselves in just 2 months. This is an extraordinary speed, considering that typical commercial wind turbines take years upon years to pay for themselves. Through VORTEXANEL, we can finally solve the energy crisis which has plagued our society for far too long, and create a future of further discovery, sustainability, and happiness. But we cannot simply step into the future. We have to create it. That is the essence of VORTEXANEL.